A native plant is a plant that has occurred in a particular region or ecosystem without human introduction. According to National Wildlife, these have a symbolic relationship with native wildlife and therefore offer the most sustainable habitat. If these kind of plants won't exist, many birds from the region would die. We know that every plant in this world is as important as other living things, but people ought to know how important native plants are. People should protect plants if they want to live in a healthy world. These are some benefits of the native plants. Even it sounds impossible, native plants help combating climate change. They also reduce carbon pollution, especially long-living trees. These plants also must conserve water because they are adapted to local environmental conditions. We mustn't mistreat plants, especially native ones, and not only because of the time they can live, but also because of the life these plants support and produce. One example of an Argentine native plant is Darwin's sleeper. This plant is a perennial plant native to Argentina. These plants can survive cold temperatures like mountain climate and also dry areas. Its habitat includes steep, riverine, and coastal rocks. The plant leaves are tongue-shaped and its stems are between 4 or 5 inches tall. These plants are yellow, brownish red, and white. Its plant habit must be a herb. The water should be wet within, and the sun must be full of partial shade. These plants ought to live on late spring, early summer, or early